As you all know, I like to start off my video with a couple of mod shots. So here you go. And here's how she looks handheld. Do I have anything up my nose? No. Nothing worse than filming a video and you have something up your nose and nobody tells you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a fun video because it seems to be really popular amongst YouTubers. I don't know why, because when I watch other people show what's in their bag, I'm kind of like, I don't even want to look in my bag. Like, it's so full and stuffed. Like I don't even want to know what's in here sometimes. Like when I clean up my bag out at the end of the week, I'm like, oh my God, what's in here? Like, you find stuff in here that it's like, what is that? Why is it there? Anyways, I'm going to show you what's in my bag. Okay, so we're introducing the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. I'm going to show you what's in my bag and what can fit in my bag. And everything in here is what's in here. I didn't go through it. I actually, you know what, I'm not going to lie. I keep my bags pretty clean and pretty organized. So that way it's, I'm just a clean and organized person. Does that sound stuck up? Because I'm really not. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so I got this bag 6 months ago in August of 2018. I got her in New York City, hence the tag. I got her brand new from the Herald Square Macy in Times Square during my 5-year anniversary with my boyfriend. And I love New York. I want to go back just to go shopping and walk Times Square and look at the bums ask me for money. Oh, let me take that back. There was only one bum who asked me for money. I need to learn how to filter myself. Okay, so here's what we have in there now. It's not that full. A lighter just came out. What do we use that for? Okay, I don't know how to angle her. Should I just do her like this? That's like awkward. So what I have in my bag is my little wallet that goes with it. It's the Victorine wallet. It's the red inside. Oh my gosh. Cash is falling out, y'all. Hold on. There's another one on the floor. Let me get it together. More cash. Hey. I have my pochette. This is from the Neverfull. And what I keep in here is just receipts, some more cash, change, like whatever I need as far as document goes. Like receipts, paper, coupons, just anything that's paper-wise goes in here because I don't like paper just like roaming around in my bag. My inhaler because I have asthma. I have my mini pochette. I'm going to show you what's in here, okay? And I think I only use one item in here out of everything that's in here. Can we put her right here just for some like eye candy cuteness? So I have mascara. I actually use this every single morning. It's from my BoxyCharm, the Too Faced mascara, which is okay. My Urban Decay lipstick. It's the one I have on right now. This really old Maybelline matte balm that I love. I bought like 10 of her and I still have like a lot. Y'all, get on them birth controls. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what this is. I don't know. There's nothing in it. I just thought it might be useful for something. Chapstick. Eye drops because I wear contacts. Another lipstick that's really pretty. I also got this in BoxyCharm in the Boxy Luxe box in January. This is a Pat McGrath lipstick that my best friend had given me for Christmas. I also love that. Some more chapstick. Oh my gosh! And I got the Louis Vuitton perfume. They gave me a sample when I bought the bag. I can't believe I still have that. Well, they gave me like 10 vials, like free vials. So that was pretty awesome. And that's it. What else do I have in here? I have to show you something that every girl needs in their handbag. That every girl who has a black hole handbag like this needs. But before that, my key clay. I have the NYX mattifying stay matte powder, which I probably need right now because I look a little greasy on film. Don't I look greasy? Like, oh, where's the thing? There goes that. I have a pen and a hair clip. So simple. Like, my items are so simple, y'all. Because, like I said, I like to keep things clean. I have a bag organizer in here, but what I wanted to show you, you see that thing right there? You see this little purse light? It's an LED purse light that I got from Amazon for $10, and I switched this between all of my bags. Anytime I stick my fingers in there, it comes on, and you could see straight in it. Because if you don't have that in there, it's like a big black hole. Like, you have to, like, you know, like dig through your purse, and it's super annoying. But when I have that in there, I just stick my hand in, and it sensors my hand in there, and it turns on. And it stays on, I think, for like, I don't know how long it stays on before it turns back off. I'm not going to sit here and do this and bore you to death to wait till it turns off. But it's of a heart shape. Ooh, I'm blinding you. Sorry. It's of a heart shape, and I just have her stuck to the side of my bag organizer right there. That's all I have in my bag, to be honest with you. Super, super duper simple. Like, I am such a simple girl. I like to keep my bags clean and neat in case, because I switch bags every week. So in order for me to be halfway organized, I have to have things simplified. I carry very light stuff because I like to carry light stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to put everything back in. I'm not going to put my pochette back in because I dumped everything out. But everything else is going to go back in. And I keep my life so simple, and it just stays in there just like that, and it's super cute. Just real quick, I know this is a what's in my bag video, but I think every single girl in America, in the United States of the world, in the entire universe, needs to have a Speedy 25 bandolier. Ooh, I got fancy there for a second. So it's the most practical bag in the world. Obviously, we don't want everybody walking around on the street wearing the same bag. But if you are in the market for a Louis Vuitton bag, I highly, highly, highly suggest the Speedy 25. I have one in the Damier Azur print because that's how much I love it. And oh my God, I'm gonna get a Speedy 25 bandolier in the Empreinte black leather. I have a video coming for you soon with that. I have an amazing video because I found something that's such a steal, but I'm waiting for Authenticate first to authenticate it, make sure it's an authentic bag because I bought it locally before I post that video. I still can't breathe just thinking about that deal that I got. Anyways, video to come. That means you gotta come back. That means you gotta subscribe, okay? So there she is, real quick. I mean, my bag was so simple. You got to keep things simple sometimes. The more you have in your bag, the more it wears down on your shoulder, the more you can potentially have shoulder pain. I don't know. You know, just keep it simple. Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm not calling y'all stupid. It's just the saying, obviously. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to please like and subscribe because my channel could use some love. And if you do, let me know and I will sub right back. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.